with questions and results. Okay. I will make note each person's details here. So if you try to leave the classes or if you don't come up with the work, then that will affect your placement. I will update these details to management. Okay. What's the time now? T241, right? Hmm? Around 3:30, you come up with those questions. Hmm? Yeah, 10 is enough. If you want, you can do up to 50. Difficult, huh? Huh? You have to search in the Google interview questions, code related one. Search in the Google and try to answer. You can use anything, any method, Google itself to get the answer also. But you have to run it and you have to show it to me. It should be a correct answer. It can be related to your digital also, fine. It can be related to Verilog, it is also fine. Okay.
क्या
You can use test.
अब
Fine.
भूख नहीं लगी तो क्या करें?
Then let me see. Technobyte. What else? Ah, sir. LAN cable is there, extra LAN cables. No, only the one. You guys have the LAN? No, like it's not connected like this. Yes, if you have any doubt in those questions now, you just ask me. I will help you. We can solve together if you want.
गर्म पानी क्यों दिया अभी?
Ma'am, the programs should be like full elaborate programs or a part of code, like some logic or something like that.
That is also fine until it is correct. You have to analyze and you have to keep it. If that is wrong, now sometimes the logic might be a correct, but if you run it, it won't work. So that is why I told like try to run it and check, confirm it and keep it.
Okay.
मम्मी तेरे को ढूंढने आया था मैं। वो आया था यार, तो मेरा सब बॉडी बहुत दर्द कर रहा है। मैं हैं? क्या? मम्मी राहुल का सिलेक्शन हो गया मैं। आज इंटरव्यू राउंड है।
No space, no. I'm not saying that. Yeah, but keep me against a little bit of space around me. We were resting sad. How you will search for the interview then? How you will learn? Whatever we given now, that won't come automatic. Search. Don't give the proper interview. You only generate the question what it want. Don't know. Search in those websites. Java T Point, Technobyte, Test Book. Those websites have this key. Just in Google, not type in weight interview questions. There are so many websites out there. You can search it. I listed those websites. I forgot where I kept.
Yes, I. Yes, I. Yeah, hello. Yeah, yeah. Good. Okay. Okay. Sanskritic, eh? What name?
Ma'am, I'm finding difficulty in finding
Hmm?
questions that
It's
are
festive.
non-theoretical, like code-based questions.
Finding no.
I'm not able to find.
Okay. No,
You
not yet.
searched in everywhere.
I searched in Java, T Point, and then I searched
Hmm.
normally on Google also, but most of them are
Okay.
giving theoretical questions.
No, yaar, that morning session is nice, yaar. The sir is talking now very nicely, yaar. What? Yeah. No, no, no. I do not respond, but I think yeah, my answer is wrong. Yeah, so I do not respond. But the question is very good. That is based on the basic logic thing. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know very well. Yeah, Srinivas Reddy is a very good teacher because the my yeah, yeah. Oh, that one my friend is enrolling in the July batch. He say that ma'am he taught like lab na me on yeah, 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 you're right. But but the ma'am is taking the system very log lab now. She is not good teacher. My friend is told. Hello, hello. Yeah, yeah. My friend is told me your my I up in the lab na the ma'am is taught in the system very log lab. The ma'am is not a good teacher. So in the he taught also previous batch, but in this in that batch na
Okay, then
he
I
move
will
out
give
the
you the
ma'am.
questions if you are not able to get those.
Okay, okay. So okay, okay, okay. So that by my friend batch out na my friend
Bit
batch na
masking
he move
example.
out the ma'am and also not a
Then
good teacher. He said that please tell to the sir and he move out the 11.
use function.
Yeah, 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 but no, not worry. The sir, if the Srinivas Reddy
They
take the class morning session, na, to if no good, not
not
to worry about.
function. Use task. There you have to generate a random values and assign it to your array. And use one more function to display that one.
Okay, you shift on the Bangalore.
In another module. Try to access those in another module.
Okay, 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 okay,
Use task
okay,
to generate
okay,
random values and save those
okay.
inside the array. And next use function
Yeah.
to display that array. So this two should be in your module
Sir will
sample.
explain sir take the two type of method, na. First he take
Okay.
the like raise one down to zero and take the color.
Then take one more module under the name of top. Try to access
Yeah,
those.
yeah.
Try to access
Where is take the 5 repeat? Yeah, he is take only the repeat
those.
only five
Try to access those
five
means
times repeat.
using top model you have to print using that function and task which is present in your sample.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
Keep
yeah,
these two models should be kept in your
yeah, yeah, yeah. Zero zero is
same
means
same
white.
file. Okay. Try to do this one.
Yeah, string will print.
Didn't take
Okay,
it.
okay. I understand your question. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah,
Then
yeah. Understand. Yeah.
okay, for now just do this too.
So what you
Let's see
told?
next.
Okay, ma'am.
To do this
Okay,
thing. Hello.
okay, okay. Oh shit.
Ali.
चरक चले दिल तो कच्चा है चलो मस्ती के मूड में चलो टच किया रे छोड़ दिया दिल अभी टच किया हो जल्दी करके चलो टच किया रे छोड़ दिया दिल अभी टच किया छोड़ दिया दिल, अभी टच किया रे, टच करके टच छोड़ दिया दिल, टच किया रे, साड़ी के फूल सा। तपी ऐसा मार मारेंगे ना, ऐसे मार मारेंगे। कितना अच्छा लगा बोलिए बेटा। ये तो मेरा प्राइम भाषा में, प्राइम भाषा तेरा पढ़ने अच्छा नौकरी लेने रे, चलो पकड़े आराम से रहे। अबे यार आवाज मत करना। तो वो करे कि राहुल के ही चल जाए, कहे कि तो नौकर रहो, तो खाना बनेगा बस, और खाना बनेगा तो उसकी नौकरी लग गई मैं, ठीक है राहुल के। अभी पढ़ो ना, के लिए नौकरी लग गई, खंजर लग गई, खंजरी है, खंजरी है तो लग गई उसकी नौकरी, खंजर। अच्छी बात है, तो उसके पीछे तू जाए ना, हम कर लेने रे, 6 महीना का पढ़ाई है ले, अब नौकरियों लग गई है। तो है जो मैं कुछ बोलूंगा ना, मैं फिर देवे लगू डंडवा से भग चंद्रा तेरे से और तो ऐसे सुधारा जाता है। ए क्या बोल रही है मैं? भी रात आए, मैं जब भी तुझे चाहूं, मैं जब भी तुझे चाहूं। जब भी तुझे चाहूं। तुम्हें कभी कभी पाँव से सुना था मैंने, भोले से उस नाम आया, उनके चुपी चुकने लगी तो भोले।
Online, who completed those questions? At least one. One question. We're all from August batch. Chayadip is from August batch. September. The Khaling is the only person, right? For the August batch, I explained this part, the bit masking. Just try to do that one. It's an easy one.
Site. And the number of patents filed by TCS, they also continue to grow quarter on quarter. As you see, around 28, 78 is the number. These many patents have been granted as well already. So those who are interested in research, in innovation, they will also have ample opportunity in TCS, in our labs, to realize their dreams. Yeah, we can move on, Siddharth. So sustainability, again, I hope you all appreciate the need for sustainability in these days, that there is a lot of talk about how we can save power, how we can save our planet. So again, like other organizations, TCS has also a lot of focus on sustainability. We work on sustainable solutions, and people, planet, and purpose are our triple bottom line focus areas when it comes to sustainability. And we have more than 170 sustainability solutions and services. I will be talking about a couple of examples in the following slides, where we are using sustainable solutions to help our customers with our products. We also, Siddharth, we can move on to the next one. Yeah, sustainable communities. So we also work with communities across the world for the programs in the areas of health, food, recycling, education, skills development. And we take up the projects pro bono, which means without any charge, right? So Meals on the Wheels, charitable recycling, these are some of the initiatives that TCS is doing in Australia, along with the partners from there. And in India also, there are many initiatives which are helping the community. There is hospital transformation program where Tata Medical Center, Kolkata, and Cancer Institute Chennai, they are, there are initiatives, partnership with them to provide help to the patients. And more than 1 lakh patients have got facilitated from this. And yeah, there are many such stories like that. So we can move on to the next one. Okay, sustainable business. As we said, we have, again, many solutions, which products where we try to find sustainable solutions. So this is one of the TCS IP Intelligent Power Plant, right? It is one sustainable business solution created by TCS. It uses AI and digital twin technologies to optimize the performance of thermal and renewable power plants. And it can be deployed on cloud or on-prem. As you can see, the impact is huge in the terms of, in the bottom section, you can see in terms of saving power, reducing emissions, and also reducing costs. So again, so there are, as I said, there are many more products like this. Another one we will talk about in the following slide, Siddharth, OmniStore. We can move to, yeah, TCS OmniStore. This is also another solution from TCS. So as we all know, it's about the retail business is about customer experience, because with so many options available, unless you provide the right experience to the customer, you can't retain the customer. You will lose it to the competitor. Now, the challenge with the retailers is to create and build a unified, intelligent platform across different channels, whether it is online, whether it is app or in store. So TCS OmniStore is an AI-powered unified commerce platform which helps retailers drive a frictionless and personalized customer experience across all touchpoints. And it leverages omni-channel technology. Again, it has positive impact with 5 to 10% increase in average basket size, 50% reduction in average checkout time, and there is reduction in labor hours as well. Right? Again, a very good solution. So these are just some of the examples, and there are thousands of such stories which we as TCSers have been part of and are proud to share. And you can also be a part of such projects with exciting opportunities that TCS has to offer in your campus. And I would request HR team to take over from here. And maybe if there are any questions, I can take it up in the end. Thank you, everyone, for attending the session. Yeah, over to you, HR team.
Thanks. Thanks, Jagjit.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are, Niranjan, but
Yeah.
I don't know if you are.
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You can
are.
project me.
Okay.
Yeah. So, very good afternoon, everyone. It was great hearing Jagjit hear the success stories of TCS and how this organization has been part of nation building. I feel very excited to talk to you. It was not long back or long ago that I was at the other side of the table. I still remember days when TCS visited my campus to deliver pre-placement talks and how excited I was. Also, we are here to break one myth, because I was in your shoes many years ago, like 7-8 years ago. What I perceived of TCS as an outsider, or as an outsider in 2015, if I be precise,
Anyone
I
come
find
up with
TCS very
logic
different
for
from my
task and
perception from an
function?
insider. And it becomes very important for us to deliver that message, that TCS is not just
You
one
just
IT
trying,
company
even if it
operating
is
from
wrong, it's
India
fine. Just
that does body shopping and
show
all.
me.
That's a perception that I
Okay.
had in 2015,
This
which
is
is
not
absolutely
very.
not
I
true.
also come up with a
And
question.
one of the big
Okay.
change that
You
I
don't need to
witness
be perfect one.
as an insider is
The
that
mistakes will
we
happen
want
with
to be the
everyone. So
best.
just
Okay,
just
we
if you
want to
come
be
up
the
with
best in
any
terms of what we
logic,
deliver,
just
and
let me
hence
know.
we want the best talent working for us, and that's why we are here, to attract you, to hire you, to engage with you, because you are one of the best in the country, right? If I quickly talk about a few brand accolades, TCS is named as world's most
First, you
admired
do
companies
for the
by
assigning
Fortune
the
in
values
2023 itself.
and
Most
run
of you
it
must
whether
be
it
very
works,
active on
your task
LinkedIn.
is working properly.
LinkedIn named
After
TCS
that,
among
use
top 10
function
companies
to
to
display
work for in
and
India
check whether it is working
last year.
properly.
Okay,
Then go
and
with
these
another
are just
module and
not
try to access.
accolades for the
You have
sake
to
of it,
do one
but this is
task.
the confidence in the
Then you
brand
can
that TCS
understand
is
what is
for
the
the
mistake you
employee
have done.
and for
If
the
you try to
industry.
do
Okay,
complete code,
you should be very
you can't able to
attracted
do
toward
that
few
one.
things, is that all
Just go
the
with simple first
leading
and check
rewards of
whether
the
it is
industry in
working
terms of
properly or
learning
not.
and
Then go
development,
with
one
another task.
being Leap Vault, presented by my another alma mater, TIS Mumbai, talks about L&D, that is learning and development. So you'll see all the talent awards that has been presented to TCS. Can we move to next slide, Siddharth? You will see a lot of them are related to something called learning and development. Okay, so that's the change that we are talking about here. Everything revolves around the fact that you should learn, we should facilitate that learning, and we should enable growth for you. Okay, and you will see from the talent awards that we receive, you'll see that most of them are related to our talent and development, L&D, just somewhere or the other, the word learning would come in. Okay, if you closely look at it, you will see right in the middle, TIS Leaveworld Cielo Award for Global L&D Team of the Year. Then you will see all major international awards in the field of human resource management. You'll see Grand Globe Best Use of Reward and Recognition by Golden Bridge, etc., etc. So that's the paradigm shift that I see as an insider, that I have seen as an employee now, as an HR now. Moving ahead, we would like to quickly tell you what are the big brands that we serve for. And you must be surrounded by all of them yourself. If we talk about telecom and media, we work with Motorola, Vodafone. If we talk
Adding
about
two
banking and
arrows. I did
finances,
that
we
one in
serve
the morning.
all
Using
major
function.
banking
You
institutions
can
in the
use
globe,
same
starting
method
from
here
Citi
also
to
to
our own
assign the
SBI,
values.
or
Random
be it
values.
any retail outlets, Starbucks, MS, anything.
Done.
So
Displaying
everything and
also you can
almost
do the
most
same
of the
method if
things
you
that
want.
you are surrounded with in terms of your life sciences, in terms of technology that you're using, or the banking services
What
that
is
you're
the
using,
difference between your
or
task and function?
products of mega factories that you're using, somewhere or the other, TCS
What's the
is
difference?
transforming those organizations big way. And this is an opportunity for all of you to join the bandwagon, join in the journey of
Do
the
you return
transformation for
anything in
such
your
big
task?
brands. Okay,
You can
and
return,
it
but
is
you
what we
you
desire
can't
and want
also.
to
Like
work for,
you can,
right?
you may,
More
you
than
can do
money,
that
more
one.
than anything
But in
else,
the function,
we
you have
want
to
to
return
work with
something.
an organization which is creating a big time impact on the
That's the only
organizations
difference,
around the
right?
globe. Can we move ahead, please? Okay. So we will talk about now that what is the journey that will be for you when you join this organization. We have heard which organizations we engage with, what are the growth and transformation examples, be it from Passport Seva to airline industry, everything we have heard. But what your journey would be, how your growth story would be in the organization, and that is very important for all of you to know. Okay, so quickly, if we chart out a journey of an average or average associate joining in TCS, or a fresher joining from college, you will be offered a role or a job with TCS, and immediately you will be getting engaged and assimilated within the entire ecosystem via our online training program through a portal named Explore. We want you to be industry ready from day one. The day you join TCS, we do not want to make you sit on the bench, but unnecessarily spend time upskilling and cross-skilling you without giving you proper exposure to the actual work that is happening on the ground, real-time exposure to the client, real-time exposure to the meaty work that is being carried out. So that's the first attractive part. We will engage with you immediately after the offer is being released, and we will try to make you ready for the industry from the day one or the word go. And we will try to train you on all the technologies that are available, be it Java, Python, C++, PHP, you name it, and we have learning modules provided for all of you. Okay. Once you join the organization, it's not that if you have joined as a Ninja Associate Digital or a Prime, you lose an opportunity being a Ninja Associate to start with. You started there, but you get a chance to upgrade yourself to Digital Cadre, which we will see what is Digital Ninja and Prime in subsequent slides. We call that DCA, Digital Competency Assessment. You get an opportunity to upgrade yourself from Ninja to the Digital Cadre. Okay, and we are very keen to map right skills for the right people. Okay, we are very interested in that aspect of things. We do not want to waste your skills and skill set. We want to engage with you in a way that your role is matching the skill set that you have. Okay, the 3 pit stops that is shown in this journey are like entry-level roles where you will start as a developer or support analyst and all those kind of role, and you'll quickly graduate to become product developer, quality engineer, full stack developer, data science engineer. And after spending some time, you will graduate to become tech leads and domain experts and technology experts and whatnot. Okay. And then comes expertise kind of role and leadership roles like tech architect, domain consultant, subject matter expert, etc. And we have one such example right here in this call itself, who is from your alma mater and was a fresher and rose through the ranks and has reached to the leadership position in real quick time. With a lot of experience, she got through the journey. Moving ahead, we will just quickly touch upon how at all stage you will be exposed to a very systematic learning modules and programs and interventions in the organization. Okay, at the bottom of the pyramid to the topmost part of the pyramid, immediate project readiness, we discussed how we will start engaging with you from word co to entry-level programs where we want to graduate you from a fresher to mid-level managers, and then to advanced leadership programs to very senior leadership program. Okay, so at each step, TCS has very structured, organized, award-winning, and one of its kind learning and leadership program, which will be enabling all the three pillars of your knowledge and experience, that is technology, behavior, and domain. And you should be good at all three if you want to reach that top pyramid of the chart, where you drive businesses, you are PLM owners, you are delivery heads or client partners, and you are generating revenues worth millions and millions of dollars for this organization. Okay? So a lot of structure and method is in place for your entire and throughout journey within the organization. Okay. Now we will talk about very basic stuff.
Complete now, let me know. Or else,
how do we keep the culture of
if
learning?
you want any help, you just ask.
I have
in
written
a
my
good
code on an
organization,
online
we
compiler.
will provide you
I
learning
tried to
opportunities
so that I
through
could run it
external
immediately.
sources, be it Udemy and LinkedIn Learning
I
and
don't
all
know.
of that.
Can you help me
But the
where
best
I'm
part is
getting
that
wrong?
our TCS internal
I feel like
learning
my code
portal,
is absolutely
that is iEvolve,
fine.
is one of its
Okay, I will
kind
make you as a
learning portal,
presenter.
which integrates
Okay.
seamlessly all the external and internal learnings.
You
Okay,
can show
and
that one.
I would also quickly like to touch upon one of the flagship learning program
This is you can directly present,
TCS
right?
has, that's
Yes,
called
I
Elevate.
do it.
And as soon as you are integrated into the ecosystem, Elevate 1, that is Wings 1, Wings 2, and Wings 3, three flagship programs will touch you directly. For entry level, fresher level, all of you will be integrated or enrolled into Wings 1 learning program, which enables exhaustive learning of around 1.5 to 2 years with various journey and your completion of different stages and pit stop in that program impacts your earnings as well. Okay, so that's the best part. If you want to earn more, grow better, you just learn more in an organization and things get facilitated for you. You will be told about all these when you join this organization. The basic intent here is to make you understand that anyone in this organization, starting from fresher to very senior person or senior leadership in this organization,
you just
will
assign
have
one value
to undergo a culture of continuous learning. And
bit of the data
that is how you grow in this organization.
Assign that as
going ahead,
like that.
If I
wanted,
on the behalf of TCS family, would like to invite all of you to join the bandwagon, be the part of the innovation journey that we have, and be part of the three offerings that we have as we speak for all of you. First is Ninja. We talked about it in the previous slides. This is the Ninja Cadre, the cadre which kind of is the bread and butter of this organization. We have maximum freshers joining us from this cadre. In this kind of profiles, we have
Yeah.
people who's manage and
Yeah,
support
understood. Like,
application
whatever second
development
question?
for us,
I
who
am
are
not
also
yet
engaged
done.
in
I was stuck here, so
enhancement
I'm
of
not.
Okay.
system
Okay,
engineering
you
and
can do it.
efficiency and those kind of projects and roles. And we kind of are working with our Ninja associates in developing the next gen technologies for
Jayad,
almost all the clients we engage
how
with.
much you completed?
The scope does not limit that, okay, you will be in this profile or these kind of role as well. You always have the scope to grow into a solution design architect role, taking this ninja path as well. And all of you very famously are aware about the perk or the package that is offered for this
Jayad,
profile. Then comes the digital cadre, okay, and that's a big departure from what we were experiencing when we were in our campus. We had just one kind of role coming our way, but not now. In digital, we engage directly with freshers in solution development and integration kind of roles to drive modern technologies for our clients to contributing new product development.
Shivani, at least even if you read few things, a theory you learned, just let me know that one. Just don't be mute yourself and sit simply, okay? Shivani, how much you done? Second question. Or what about first one? Can you show that one if you have done? Or you are doing second one only? Okay. Okay, in second one, how much you have completed? Let me divide these parts as a task. This one is like a S1 and this one is like a S2 and this one is like a S3. How much you completed among this? All the tasks have been completed doing S3. Okay. What? Who is this? Is there? Guy is not responding. Kali, may I know your progress? Shiva, just share your screen. Okay. You show me the two one and S2 and let me see how you have done. Okay. Okay. Darling, Rashmi, who is Rashmi? You are Ramya, right? And Soumya. Praveen. Praveen, can you tell me what is bit masking? In general way, you can tell. It's not to be in perfect sentence.
We need to master bit of
This term is the variable you are talking about, or a signal. Yeah, tell me, continue with that one. Match. Yours name? Can you tell me? Hmm. Like, what is the purpose of masking? What's the purpose? You have to tell me. The bit masking purpose. Okay, how many questions you have done, Ravi? Not done one, at least one. Okay. Yours name? Use. How much you have done? Trying bit masking. You have to tell me the instead of definition. You tell me the purpose in in example or real life example like that. We require this kind of bit masking where you can observe this kind of bit. That is also okay. What is the masking over there? What is the purpose of masking you are doing? What? What is that masking? You said it. You do masking, right? What is that masking? Hmm. Yashwant, how much you have completed? Searching on what? Like what year masking? What is bit masking? Hmm? Hmm? Correct. What you have said, it is also correct. You tell me. That is also correct. You understood that sentence? Fine. What about next? Srinivas. How much you completed? First one. Trying. What is bit masking? Huh? Hmm. Sai. Did anyone left again? Saidev, Lavanya, calling and Sai. Who is the Sai? The 12th. It is not here, right? He is not here. The girl left, right? These labs will be not like in previous labs. You will be getting questions, you will be solving. Okay. And I will be monitoring your records, whatever you done. In previous, you are coming and doing something and you are going. But here you have to learn properly, put your hard work. If you want to get into a good company, instead of company, at least get into a company, any company for this kind of situations. At least you have to put hard work. Okay. Guru Basaya, how much completed? Second one you are doing. In second one, how many tasks you have completed? Task means the S1, S2 and S3 is there, right? Among those. Tell me. Santosh. In second question. ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, I will come and let me see that. Sumant, how much you completed? Completed. Error you are getting. What about Anand? Anand, he was searching. How much you completed? Ah, trying. Huh? First question, searching. Second question, how much you completed? Huh? Sample. Oh, sample module. Okay. Okay. Huh? You are getting some error. Ah? Okay. Let me see that one. Ramya? Yes, ma'am. Eli, ma'am. Sorry. Tell me, ma'am. How much you completed, ma'am? Getting error. Which question? How you will call? Yeah. How you will come up with that one? The solution. XMR concept you have to use. Hierarchy axis. Dot. Using dot. You have to instantiate that sample inside your top model. Then you have to do. Shankar? Oh, he went. Okay. Soumya, you are also saying. Asha, Yuva, Sema. Yes, ma'am. Solving errors. Shivani, you can present, Ram. Okay, that was good. And you are trying to you are trying to access those task and function inside same module or other. Okay, you shall begin. Calm down. Okay, you go up for the sample module. Check it. Yeah, you done the good job. But your function is having the inputs. Have to return it through function name. You don't have void. Do you have void in your Verilog? That belongs to SV. Okay. You have in the SV but not in the Verilog. The function you need to alter. Check that one. Okay, you can stop presenting and check that one. Try to run it in your model sim. Instead of EDA playground and Quista sim, try to do it in your model sim. It is there, right? In your model sim is there in your laptop, right? Takes a while. The instance name you have used and then the function was found. How you know the instance? Instantiation. How we use yeah, the code correction. If you have the code correction, you use that. Here we don't have code correction. This module name and the instance name is enough. Then use the instance name and what is the name of your task? That task. And again use the instance name, the function. Like that. You do the instance name as in beauty now. What is this thing? You can't keep the keywords as in function name or something. You always keep self. Even though it works now, you have to maintain that thing. That rule. Okay. If you are trying to call that one, check those things whether it works or not. You are returning what you are returning from your function. You have returned the return type as in what? Integer. Now you need to return an integer. How you will return that one? Just pass something. Result display. A and zero. Value. Then here it will catch that value.
But it's cycle, this function is given.
Then you are sending this C, right? C is an array. Can you send array to your function and task? You check me that one and let me know. It's a pattern format. If you have people administration, you can't directly send right. Have to send each indexes at a time. So that means you keep this for loop here. You count this entire line again and again, again and again within that column. So with index wise. But here now, within that function you don't differ. Here only you are sending the index also and the value also. Like that. That value and the index you display here. That's it. Whatever you have from the argument, that you display in this line. You understood what I was doing for them? Do the same thing. Whatever it is. Okay, we said. You also getting a random value 20 times. It is not needed. You have to see the R. Just say highest order. Morning, what's the down? Have you taken notes? In the morning, everyone is taking notes. Writing down to your textbook, Jimmy. Huh? I will write that whatever Srinivas sir taught in the morning. Huh? Whatever yesterday class, whatever he taught, did you went home and studied those? Huh? Check those ones, try those first, then do this. What Sir did in the morning, right? You said that part. How he did. Huh? Try that first and try to do this question. This question will be made for tomorrow also. Until you complete this one. Here, what you are using the for loop, and what you are sending in array in each indexes. Okay. We along with that you send the index also. Here, instead of fetching the entire array, you place it in numbers. Integer. Okay. Then here from this plus one. So this one every disease. Yeah. Index also not so here all the time we try not to do just try to run this part only the function part, whether it is taking the values or not. Means or using this, it is second value. And what we are calling for the play lines. Yes. Just try to run this. Is there anything else there? No? Wait, and that polygon, I have a squatty. Certain weeks. Is it okay? See, it's you didn't take an area. Felix, he take the negative bit is there, right? Not negative bit you are getting. That one is not needed to be this time. Friend, that what you are assessing your life. No, you can't. It's those assessing events have sandy other. There's no other just stand something. You can just directly do the work. What is this the task is you have? Instead of the keep it off. You have to whatever you generated this one, right? That you have to the simple of out. Tomorrow you have to learn task and content. Hmm? Whatever the assignments you have assignments, I will make it to present here. I have to explain how it's happening and all. First, you have to show that task. If you want to discuss them, then you need to explain. Until I will help you guys. If you don't know basic how you will deal with this, yeah, you have to use task and content again and again in your history. Cannot answers will be there. Huh? First, learn the task and content. and do for the vectors and do for the arrays. You learn that part. If you don't work on that one, you will not give any good reviews on your video. For real. Okay. You have one of those assignments, right? How have you done those? How you understood that? These assignments. I forgot. Process is forgot. With nothing. I will explain to you. It is nothing. You are able to explain this time. There was not a experience. That is the work we have to do it. Okay. Task and function, percentage value, and to display it within a model. Then for vector. And now this question. Task and function. Okay. Using one time you have to with using task, another time you have to function. What is this? Ayyo, Lavanya. Sorry, Ra, I didn't saw that one. Okay. Now check once.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm able to.
I'm so sorry for that one. I didn't notice that. I was thinking like some message is coming. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
my doubt is in function. Like normally we write in the function declaration, like the prototype, we give a return type, and then we have to write the input, right? Input and its data type. Can I just cancel? Like can I not write the input data type? Nothing, just a blank bracket. Can I give for function?
No, in Verilog now we can't keep that part.
Okay.
We can't keep it empty. At least we have to send certain value.
Okay.
So online there is a work for take a single integer and use a task and function to assign it and to display it. And another one for the vector. Then for the array. That entire six assign. Okay.
Okay.
6 work you have to do. Until you complete this, until you learn this, we will not go for the SV. You learn these things first. Go through the array concepts. First, you do those and go through the arrays concept. What do you guys do when you go home? Sleep. Sleep, right? Yeah, I know. Just go through the concepts now before coming to class once. You will understand easily.
Ma'am?
Yes, Lavanya?
I don't know what to give as input when you're displaying, ma'am. Can you like give an idea?
That one now. You keep it the input as an integer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then in calling time now, you send certain value to it. That's it. Just send any value like 10,
Like a
20. That's it.
flag. You're telling like a flag.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. I got it. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
You taken value?
Okay.
No, no, not for you.
मम्मी हाँ हेलो हाँ हेलो हो गया सिलेक्ट हो गया ओ ओ तो अब हेलो ओ फिर ऐसे नहीं कुछ साला पानी उनके ऊपर नहीं फेंक दिया मैं फिर हम्म, अरे फिर क्या हो कि दो ही देने थे तो फिर तो हो जाओगे सिलेक्ट यार फिर तो क्या ही है फिर तो सिलेक्ट हो जाओगे ना क्या है फिर हम्म, है हाँ फिर हाँ हम्म फिर तो क्या विचार हुआ जानने का, क्या क्या विचार हुआ फिर तेरा? ओ, तेरे साथ में तेरे। हम्म। अच्छा। तो ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, ये अब क्या बोल, मतलब ये बच्चे कितने आ रहे तेरे बैच में? अच्छा, 3 जने तो मतलब मेरे को ख्याल से इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होंगे बच्चे, और मैं भी, मुझे लग रहा है ना। हम्म। हाँ तो तुम्हें क्या कह रहा हूँ, जो तो तेरे वाले में था, तो वो क्या फील्ड था उनका? अच्छा, मैकेनिकल के 3 ही थे। तो वो भी, उनका भी गैप था कि वो वैसे ही आए थे? नहीं, तू उनसे। अच्छा। तो कह रहा हूँ, ट्रेन क्या है, ट्रेन अब जा स्टेशन पहुंच पहले मुंबई सेंट्रल। कि मुंबई सेंट्रल बोल दो कि बांद्रा पहुंचेगा? मुंबई सेंट्रल पहुंचेगा कि बांद्रा पहुंचेगा? देखता हूँ मुझे। अबे देख रहा हूँ। अरे रुक जा, देख रहा हूँ देख रहा हूँ। क्या रे, मतलब मजा नहीं आया ना? क्या ही बोल सकता हूँ यार ये। अब वो बांद्रा टर्मिनस कितना दूर है तेरे वहां से? बांद्रा। हाँ। अब मुझे पता नहीं, बांद्रा टर्मिनल अगर 9 बजे ट्रेन है बांद्रा टर्मिनल से। हाँ। पहले लिख, ट्रेन नंबर लिख, जो जो लिखवा रहा हूँ तो लिख ले, फटाफट नोट कर। अच्छा। एक मिनट, एक तो बांद्रा टर्मिनल है। एक कौन सी गई यार, 2 मिनट। क्या? हाँ तो फिर।
Nets and reg. In the nets, what are all the things you have? Wire, bond, bar, triand, triad. There are more. So reg, what is the default value?
तो
What is that x means?
तो खा लेना अभी भी जाके।
Unknown. Where you will find that unknown? At what? When you will get those unknown? What is that raising condition called as? Hmm. Hmm. What we call that one? Metastability state. When that metastability state occurs, to indicate that one, we will use unknown. So when you will get that metastability state? When you violate setup and hold time. What is the setup and hold time means? Hmm.
Stability of the
Hmm. The input should be stable for certain minimum time before the edges come. That is like setup. After the edges, you need to keep your input size in stable. That is also we call it as an hold. Not the inputs. It's like a signals. You have to keep it like that. Okay, that you have to know, that should be there in your mind. In interviews, these are the common questions they will ask. The setup and hold, duty cycles, time period, those are all basic questions they will definitely ask if you are a fresher. Okay, then what else? What's the default size of your reg? Size 1 bit. It's a scalar. Then what's its function? Register function. Okay, it's old values until you changes with new value. Then what about nets in wire? What's the default value? Yeah, the continuously driven. What is the default size and value? Single bit and Z. You should not tell X and Z unknowns and I impedance. You have to keep it. Where you will use that I impedance to indicate what? Yeah, connection, the open circuit or connection not yet done, the floating point, those things to indicate those have to use that AI impedance. Then what else? Integer, default value, size, yeah, value. You made confused, you itself confused Mitra. Then real, it will depend upon the requirement. Like you can, yeah, that will depend on tool or somewhere. Like it will be 32 or it will be 64 also. And what about time? It depends. It mostly depends on the tool or the system like that. The time, real time. Among this, who are all having sign it, who can take sign it values? Integer. What about real time and time can't they take? Hmm? Can you check that part? The real time. Will they take signed values or not? Or they are unsigned. Huh? Do you have that conformity? Pakka. Have you, yeah, the time can't be taken in the negative. What about real? It's not a time now. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, that I understood. Real. Real will is that signed or unsigned? Have you done that one? Have you guys tried? Then how you will tell it is signed or unsigned? Hmm? They have done the function that he's done right using integer. Keep it real and try to assign negative values. Just alter that code and try to execute that one. You have they right. Just comment all those things and do. He's doing. He's into that question itself. Huh? You only do. You try it now only. Just try it and check. Everyone. It's a simple. Do you have to write entire code that much? How much line it is? One. Assigning two. Initial begin. That is four. Display statement five. Around 6 to 7 lines. That's it. In which format specifier you will display that one? The floating. Will your format specifier affect that part? Displaying the negative value and positive value that will defect because of this format specifier. You check that part. Try to display using percentage %f and also percentage %d after giving negative value to your real variable. Once the concept starts right, in your assignment, in the second assignment, you have the questions to list down the difference between system Verilog and Verilog. You keep that notes in that question whatever you written for that one, keep it always with you, like, and list on each and everything. What are all the difference you learn throughout the SV? So you have vectors, different not vectors, the arrays you have in Verilog and CSV. You have different types of arrays. That difference you maintain over there, and the events and the hoops concept. It's keep it as a notes, and you learn from there only. That question for that question. In interview, just open it and you can see that question, right? Your entire SV will be there. The difference between Verilog and SV will be there. Taking negative value, only the positive. You try to display it in both, like percentage F and percentage D.
From real value, real should take, right, ma'am? Real data type will take both unsigned and signed.
Huh? Real data type?
Shouldn't real data type take both signed and unsigned?
Take signed and unsigned. No, I didn't hear properly.
I'm
Please,
just
can you repeat?
like there are four data types, right? Like in the sense, um, integer, real time. So except for integer, all the others will not take signed.
It's taken. It's showing negative value. For what? Percentage of it is showing negative value. How you think? What do you feel like? This panda. This one. Bas. Taking negative value. Run it. Online run it or not? Did you check whether it takes or not? What it is showing?
हेलो
Because it's a real one. It can't.
देखा देखा मेरे को भेजा तो
In
था
decimal, it is giving a2's complement. What's the
हाँ
2's
तेरे को भेजा
complement
था
of
मैंने
1 minus 1?
क्या बोल रहा है
What is the complement of 1?
नेट नहीं चल रहा
0. Then what would be your 2's complement?
2 मिनट
1. What it is showing?
इसमें तो मेरा क्या भी यूज कर रहा है
Whose complement? Whatever you guys,
अच्छा वो टेबल
you try to display decimal form. But it is showing the entire range. 32 range.
Ma'am,
Yes, Lavanya.
I'm getting error saying that dollar display itself is a system task, so you can't use it in a function.
I think she wrote display screen double.
Can you share and show us?
It's okay, ma'am. I will show you tomorrow. Fine.
Okay, like only for me now, they won't see.
Sorry, ma'am.
Like you show me that one, let me see that one. Don't keep the display as in function name. Display is a keyword. Change that one. You guys are using tutorials point. You guys don't have model sim?
I have it, ma'am, but
Hmm.
like you have to write run to file and all of that. So I'm like,
What? You guys getting lazy?
I just want to know the logic, ma'am. Tomorrow I will give you run to file everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Why is it taking so much time? This is like logically correct, right, ma'am? Okay, I don't know. I'll see. Still,
Okay, Appa. Okay, okay. You let me know, okay?
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, like this. Now you can check it. This is the error I'm getting.
Yes.
Right, I'm getting this error, ma'am. 16th line, it's saying that delta display is a system task. It cannot be called in function.
Going on. Completed. Okay. Take it. How you did, Yuva? You use it right. The same tutorial point. You kept that one display over there inside the function. Yeah. No, that you did. The display, dollar display. Okay, try it with model sim and you check whether it will allow.
Okay, ma'am.
How you guys did, Ra? She come up with that point. The function is there, right? That function, using function, we are trying to display. Dollar display is a system task, right? The function can't call the task. You remember that point? That one, it is giving error for her.
Ma'am, I wrote task, ma'am. I wrote task. I- those random values that is
That is okay. That is okay for displaying dollar display where you kept the dollar display inside the function. It didn't given any error. For her, it is showing the error. It's the same right. The tutorials point you are also using.
that is
Try it with model sim now. We'll see that one. Okay. Check with that with model sim. There also, if you get that, now you change that. You make it ulta. Use the function and here you use this task. Okay. Task can take the task right. So to make it changes that one. Will hand the section.
Ma'am, but others have done it offline.
Yeah, some person na they did in same tutorials point, but not had confirmed that part. In the some of them did half of the work.
Like no one has completed fully.
Yeah, you guys completed only you guys.
Ma'am, has someone finished or not? Like, I want to know, like, is it possible? Like, is
Yeah,
writing function possible?
that one na that is you check. That is what I am telling. They didn't check that part. No one
Okay,
checked that one yet.
okay, ma'am.
You are the only person.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, Shivani. That is why I am telling like check with model sim. Confirm it. Get confirm. We'll hand the section. What you guys did? You check the code. I only did. Hmm. Okay, we'll hand the section.